This is Steve from MuscleCar Garage. We're working on a 1970 Mustang fastback. This car was sold down south, North Carolina. Came in with a bunch of problems. Came in with a water pump leak, thermostat housing leak, where after we put a brand new water pump in thermostat housing, we're now upgrading the brake system. Came in with disc brakes, but manual front disc brakes. So we're going to be putting in a power booster and brand new master cylinder proportion valve to give this better stopping power. It also came in with a bunch of other problems. We're putting in a brand new steering wheel. Came in with a brand new horn assembly. So if you take a look, Dom, why don't you show them the brand new steering wheel that we put inside the car? After that, we're going to be upgrading the stereo system. We're going to be putting in a brand new sound system, front and rear speakers. We're also going to be putting a brand new vintage air conditioning system in this 1970 Mustang fastback.